Hi again, YouTubers. So this is a video on this new fall line from Stella and Dot, and this is what the catalog looks like, the lookbook, it's actually called through them. And what they did, I find this interesting as a YouTuber, that they decided to do this time is they collaborated with a few bloggers. And this is JC Dupree, and they gave them some of the pieces and they let them style them as opposed to the company styling them, which I thought was pretty cool. The other blogger is a girl named Gracie Mercedes, and this is what hers look like. If you would like one of these lookbooks sent to you, just send me a message below. My email, LisaSz09@comcast.net. If you would like some information about how you can become a stylist like I decided to do, or whether you want to know how to have a show in your house, or whether you want to know how to have an online show, or whether you want to know just more information about the pieces of jewelry, just please let me know below. Ask me questions. Like, I'm learning as I go on this too, but I'm absolutely loving it. Now keep in mind, with this new collection, I have the majority of it still in a box here. I haven't even opened it. The pieces that I have out, such as this one here on me, this one is called the Zia necklace. These are things that were given to me when I went to Stella and Dot's Hoopla, which is their national conference that I just got back from a few days ago, very few days ago, and then my order came in. So I wanted to sit down and do an unboxing and also kind of familiarize myself with the products as well. Now that being said, I don't know a lot of the names, so if this video is a little choppy, I apologize in advance. So I'm popping back on here in a totally different outfit and the whole 9 yards, and because I am getting ready to jump in the car to go to our Cape Cod house. And I realized, because I started editing this video, that I never told you one of the most important parts. One of the most important parts is right now I am running a mystery hostess trunk show. Now I have done these before, and what it is for every $50 you spend, can be on anything, doesn't have to be on this new launch that you're seeing here today. It is for anything that you purchase, $50 or more. For every $50, your name will be entered in to win the hostess rewards. Now to give you a little bit of an idea, the last time I did this, the person that won the hostess rewards were, it was well over $800. I think it was almost $900 if I remember correctly. And she also got 4 half-off items. So she got a ton of free jewelry. So I put everybody's name in and I show it on Instagram, Facebook, all those different places, and pick somebody that won. So if you are someone who is considering purchasing something from the new fall line or just purchasing something from Stella and Dot, please be sure to do it through the trunk show link below if you want to be entered. But this is the Zia necklace, and this is just gorgeous. I love it with peach. Absolutely love it. It's very comfortable. It's not super heavy. It has the pretty turquoise, has a little bit of some black in through the top part of it, and it has the gold. It is adjustable. All of Stella and Dot's pieces are based on diversity, and especially as you'll see through this new fall line, you will see how you can take one piece that you purchase that might be a little bit more expensive than you would normally buy, but it can then be diversified through so many different ways. And that's the whole basis of this, is they really want pieces that everyone can wear. You know, one of the first things that caught my eye a while ago, besides the element necklace, which I've shown you guys from the fall preview, is this whole line that was this lightning bolt. So this is what this one looks like here. This is the necklace. It was given to me when I went to Stella and Dot Hoopla, but this is just so delicate, so pretty, so easy to pair with other pieces. I absolutely am in love with that piece. Oops, I need. Along that same line, they also did give us 2 of the earrings that are lightning bolt earrings. If you put them through right here, if you can see this, they are actually really neat because from the side, they have a nice little zigzag to them. But from the front, they have some pave crystals in through it as well. Just really stands out and makes it pretty. I have learned not to wear these when my hair is down because it is open at this edge and my hair kind of gets tangled in through it. The next piece that was given to us is called the Bryn Lariat. And this is what it looks like. It's super, super long. It has these really cool, let me put them up against this. It's almost like more of a brushed gold than a shiny gold. It has the stones at the bottom of it. And what the basis of this is, there is a chain part that you can see right here. And this adjusts by pulling one side or the other. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can make it, I've seen it, actually there was a woman, I'll try to insert the picture here of, there's a woman in our group who is pregnant, who's very pregnant, and she's so cute. And she actually put this on as a belt. What a great idea, because you can adjust it. So absolutely gorgeous, super fun piece, really awesome. Now on to the pieces that I haven't seen yet. I'm excited for. All right, so first piece, this is the boxes that they come in, very cute packaging. I wasn't originally a fan of it, but then I kind of grew into it. So Stella Natural Stone Variations, there is a note in here. Any of the products that have natural stones to them do have variations. They're not gonna all be exactly the same. This is, I didn't put much jewelry on today just so I could show you guys pieces. This one is gorgeous. Look at this, the gold with the white stones, and it sits up just slightly through this way. How pretty is this, guys? And it's a good weighted piece. Stone stretch, and it is stretchy. I was always adverse to stretchy bracelets because I always thought that they kind of made them look cheap. But I think when you can't see the stretch in it, it doesn't make a difference, because this just looks like a really nice, well-fitted cuff. Very, very cute. I'm going to be super excited about all of them, you know this going into it. Next piece, another little red box. I'm going to have to clean up my room after this. This one is protect against snagging. So this one is leather care. So this one is, it's in a red box as well. This one is leather, so you want to make sure you care for it properly, and you want to protect it against snagging. And, ooh, I remember this one. This is one of those ones. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's a lot of this like white cream color with silvers and grays. It's just gorgeous. It is one of the adjustable ones, so you simply just pull on both sides. And then when you put it on, you can tighten it on any way you want. Look how, oh, that would actually look great next to this one too. Ooh, fun. I'm just gonna keep going. A red box. This one says leather care as well. It's hard to remember what all the pieces are that I got. Ooh, I remember this one. This one is gorgeous. This one is called the Alley Double Wrap. So this one comes with a buckle and you wrap it around. It's kind of like that Remy wrap that I love so much. But the gold on this is just beautiful, like really pretty, well done, like geometric, very, very nice. Really excited about. See what this one is, leather care as well. This one has leather care too. This one I was a little hesitant about. I was talking to my friend Christy about it and I was a little hesitant about this one. I'm gonna show it to you. I don't know where the leather is. Oh, it's behind it. It just, I wasn't 100% sure on it. The chain seemed so thin for such a large piece. But yeah, definitely something fun to play with. It hangs lower. It is a long pendant. As you can see, this is probably an easier way to show it than even on the other one. But you can adjust it as many lengths as you want. You can definitely play around with this. It's cute. It's definitely whimsical. It goes great with these, you know, especially this piece here on my wrist. Another red box. Red ones are usually bracelets. Variations in the stones again. Ooh, I remember this one. All right, so this one is called the Artesian Stretch Bracelet, and it is 3 different bracelets. Oh, I didn't realize they were separate. I thought they were one big twist, but oh, love it, love it, love it. So excited about that one. It just looks so cute on. This one's got yellow gold, the black, and some silver. This one has the black, silver, hematite, and a little bit of this like green stone that is just beautiful on that together. Like, next one, green box. This one says natural stone variations as well. Oh, this one is, I love this one in the original one. I have the gold one with the clear stones. This is called the Aria pendant, and they decided to do it in silver and black, and it's just drop dead gorgeous. This thing reflects in the sun like nothing you have ever seen. Absolutely beautiful. 3 different chains, can be worn together, can be worn separate, can be mixed and matched. Gorgeous. So lightweight. The stones are gorgeous. Just love that. The green one. No note on this one. Oh, this one was a favorite of mine. I might take this off and put this on. Oh, so this one is called the Lynx Pearl Necklace. Oh my gosh, with a t-shirt. oh, like this would do great with the Sutton, either the silver or the mixed metal too. This is just gorgeous. So excited about this one. This is one of my favorites. Put that on with a t-shirt and just gives it a nice little edge. This one's heavy. It's a green one, but it's super heavy. This one says Natural Stone Variations. Sorry, my hair is kind of in the way. Oh, I remember this one. I wasn't sold on this one until I saw it on the person in the fashion show. And the way it caught the light, sorry, it's wrapped up, so I'm unwrapping it. The way it catches the light is just mind-blowing. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is what it looks like. Look how that catches the light, guys. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited about that one. This one, if you know, the Rebel is the long pendant that has been a longtime bestseller of Stella and Dot. And last year they came out with a cluster necklace. There's the Renegade bracelets, which are similar to the Rebel clusters. There's earrings, there's rings. This, oh my God, I'm not gonna lie, it's heavy. Be prepared, it is heavy. But holy, look how it catches the light. Now, do I need this much jewelry? No, but is it for work? Yes. Would I buy all of this if I wasn't doing this? Who knows? All right, so onto a red box. This one says protect it against snags. Ooh, I was excited about this one. I have this one in gold. This is the Isabella, and it is now in silver. I have this in gold. Oops, there's a piece of paper. I have this in gold, and I wear it all the time. So I was super excited when I saw that it's in silver now. How pretty. It's so easy. It's so lightweight. It's so comfortable. I absolutely love it. This one here, by the way, is my bracelet I got at Stella and Dot for things I've accomplished. I have accomplished being lead stylist, associate stylist. I made associate stylist in my Jumpstart, and I am a senior stylist, and I went to Hoopla 2015. So that's what that bracelet is there, by the way. That's not something you can buy. Big mama jamma. All right. Oh, this one. Oh, this one's called the Plume. Now this one you can wear it three main different ways. You can also play with it. Okay, so comes in and it's got the 3 different strands. All right, and you can unhook any of these strands at any given time. So if you only want to wear 1, 2, or whatever, you can. But here's the really cool part about this. There are also 2 sets of feathers, a bright blue one and a black one that come with this, that you can attach to the necklace. Oh, how pretty is the blue? Oh, and they're so soft. The feathers are so soft. So there's blue feathers and there's black feathers. And I will show it to you in the book too, just so you can see what it looks like, because that's kind of hard to see when I'm showing it in pieces. Oh, how pretty. All right, let me show it to you in the book. Let's see. You can see her wearing it in this picture, and you can see it in the black without any and with the blue. I think I have that the right way. It is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm also going to show you guys at the end a couple things that I'm still thinking I'm going to order. The next thing I got is I got a little clutch. Now, I'm not a big change my clutch person, but this one just reminded me of a Henry Bendel that I spent a lot of money on, I'm not going to lie. This is just so cute. This is such a soft material. Then this here, you can buy a strap for it if you want to. How cute is the inside? While we're on that subject, this also goes with a handbag, not a handbag, like I would consider it to be a computer bag. Let me see, I'll find it real quick for you. But what it is you can actually put, okay, so this is the bag it comes with. And if you can see in that, you can see that little pouch that kind of looks like it's there. That is this stuck down into that. So they're 2 separate things, but they work together. So I think I'm gonna get that bag too. So you'll see that part. But how cute is this? It's super soft, good size, like has the little credit card holders in here, and it's so cute on the inside. Green one. This one says protect against snagging. Oh, this is the Zoe Laureate. I forgot about this one. All right, so they made this one this year in gold. This has previously been, I have it over there in the dark hematite, kind of dark silver. This necklace is a super, you can wear this thousands of ways. There's like no explanation as to, you can wear it any way you want. You can wear it as a bracelet, you can wear it as a necklace. And the ends of it, I'm going to show you what the ends of it look like. Put them down on here. The ends of this are these gorgeous, gorgeous gold pieces. You can tie it in a knot and wear it as a pendant. That was the first necklace I ever bought from Stella, and that was the original Zoe Lariat. So that one is the yellow gold version. Red box. There's only 2 more things in here, then I'll show you a couple things I'm going to pick up. Still, I made a quick order trying to get this in so I could show you guys right away. Oh, I forgot about this. This goes with that necklace. How pretty. They have these in gold with a white pearl as well, but the silver pearl with the studs, oh, how pretty on. How nice. These are great silver, like they just look so nice. Gives an edge, but it's still so finished. Another green one, and then one more. This one says protect against snagging. Why can't I say protect today? I forgot about this one. All right, this one is gorgeous. This one is called the Bell. And I wasn't sure about this, I'm not gonna lie. I think it was my friend Christy I was talking to about this, or maybe Anna. These stones I wasn't too sure on, but the way they caught the light, oh, so pretty. Last one of this, and then I'll show you some things I'm gonna pick up. This one's a big one. Another one that has multiple ways you can wear it. And I'm sure it says it's leather care because it does have leather on it. Oh geez, look how pretty this is. All right, so here's the key with this one is you can actually take these pieces off and flip them in the other direction. So, let's see if I can do this. I'll take it out and flip it this way and show you. So you can actually wear it this way with the rhinestones showing on the bottom line, the silver here, and then just the silver on this side, or the other way is the silver with the blue and then the gold without the rhinestones on it on this side. And then the leather on that, oh, so cool. So cool. So excited to play with that. So let me show you some of the things that I am considering. There isn't a whole lot left. There are a couple bangles I didn't get. I didn't get rings. I'm not a big fan of the open-ended rings. A lot of their rings are open on the back. And with a small child, they just snag all the time. So this necklace here is this necklace and these earrings. This is a multiple. You can take any of these off. You can take the tassel off. You can take them all off and just wear the chain alone. Same thing with the earrings. And this is one that I thought was pretty cool looking, but it just, I don't know, something about it wasn't speaking to me. So I think I'm gonna skip that one. Then the lightning bolt also comes in a ring. They said that that one snags a lot, so I was not even trying for that because I know better with me. I have some new earrings. They came out with a really dark blue and a brown stone that are a little bit thinner than the old traditional ones. They also came out with a locket that is at the end of a long pendant chain, and then some other little, not studs, they're drops, but they're very small. It's very pretty, but I don't think I would get enough use out of it. This one down here, which the girl actually has on in the picture as well, you can take the bottom piece off, and if you look at the picture further that way, the bottom piece comes off and you can actually wear it a little bit shorter so it's not as large. Thought that was really cute. Again, just not something that I felt as if I would get enough use out of. All right, this, I don't remember seeing this there. I would have ordered this. This is gorgeous. I am getting this. This is called the Artesian. It is just beautiful. You can wear it up like this. You can wear it down long, like any of the Suttons you can. Then there was also this one. This one goes with that Artesian stretch that's on this arm. And this is a long pendant style, and it has a few different pieces down at the bottom. That one I think I'm considering. Then they came out with these new link necklaces and earrings. And they are definitely very pretty, but I have necklaces that are similar to this that I've had for years that I do not grab for. So I don't feel as if that's something that I should gravitate towards. I also don't tend to change my earrings that often, which is ironic because I love those lightning bolt ones. Then they have this new one that's called the, I can't even say this word, arabesque. I don't even know how to say this word. So this is the one I was actually talking about here that has the 3 different pieces down at the bottom that goes with this. This is where I don't think I would get this. It is over here as well. It's cute. I just didn't, the 3 pieces together, I just don't know if I would particularly use those. But the one that I showed you earlier, this piece, that one I think I'm gonna get. I think I would really like that one. So almost rounding up here. Oh, this one was the Freya fringe. Everyone says this is going to be a big hit. This is it right through here and here. It's very lightweight. It's very edgy, very fringy. I think it might be slightly too edgy for me. I don't think I can pull that off. Then they came out with the clutch also in a silver metallic, but it is not a really shiny, shiny silver metallic. It is just a simple, oh, and see, you can wear that Freya like this too. It's really cute. I just don't think I have the edge for it. 2 new scarves. They came out with one that is a lighter colored one with some blues and some greens in through it. Then they also came out with a silver one that has some, it looks like gold edging through it, if I remember correctly. They also came out with a new wallet, the Madison Tech wallet. It's funny, the pearls, and this is reversible. You can wear it this way or you can wear the other side out and it's all gold. I think it's gorgeous, but again, I don't know if I'm a pearl girl. I don't know if I can pull it off. Oh, and see, there's the bracelet for that one and the earrings that looks like this bracelet. It's so cute. I like the bracelet. The earrings are cute. They double backed. And they have a ring too. I forgot to show you guys that. There's the ring. I just don't know if the ring I might be able to get away with because it's open in the front. I don't know. I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think, oh, here's the bag. Look. See? That's the one I got. And that's the one that I'm going to get. So I think it looks like I have 3 things that I need to pick up still from the line. I might get another Sutton. I'm debating on the all silver Sutton or the all gold Sutton. So not 100% sure. So that is everything. Wow, that's a lot. So what I'm wearing on the rest of my face, I have on Guerlain July tint. Totally off on that. Glow Minerals matte powder, Hourglass bronzer. Blush is NARS blushes, a mix from that palette. It was this one and this one mixed together. I have on Tarte CC cream under my eyes with Dior Star, Laura Mercier powder under my eyes. On my lids, I have on the Becca Ombre's Nude palette. My lash extensions, I have on Benefit Gimme Brow, and on my lips, I have on a mixture. I have on Makeup Forever 3C, and then I have on a mixture of Marion and Hush from the OCC Lip Tars. Mixed in on my lips. Hair is curled with Hot Tools, and you saw all my jewelry. That is everything. Shirt is just a t-shirt from J. Crew. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As I said, please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm more than willing to sit down, talk to anybody, whatever, if you'd like some information about this. And if you do, you know, it's honestly, after Hoopla and going, I am so glad that I made the choice to do this. It is such a camaraderie of women and such an enjoyable thing. I have met so many new friends that have like minds, that like the same thing. So many of these girls love beauty stuff too, and we've started talking about my videos and beauty stuff and just how it all works together. It is just so fun finding people that are thinking in the same mindset that I am. So I've really enjoyed it. It has been the best decision ever, and I absolutely just am loving every moment of it. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching as always, and have a great day. Bye.